Hey guys, Samir Mukhtar here from samirmukhtar.com, and today I want to review 24-hour profit by FERGAL Dons. Okay guys, I want to take you through everything which you require to know about this 24-hour profit so that you can decide if this product is for you, if you want to purchase it, uh, to have a decisive mind about this product. Now, before anything else, 24-hour profit, does it work or it doesn't work? Actually, I bought 24-hour profit and I want to show you my results so that you can see if this product is something which you will benefit from or not. Okay, and I'm sure that by end of what I will show you, you will see that this is a product which you must get. Okay, so you can see I purchased this product on 9th of November 2019, and I want to take you to the affiliate stats of 24-hour profit from 9th of November. Let's look at this. 9th of November. Then I want to show you what I have been doing. Okay, so you can see guys, with 24-hour profit 54 sold. Okay, now that's amazingly amazing because 54 products sold, that's crazy. Okay, now apart from it with 54 products sold, I've got already recurring 14. So month on month I am guaranteed that I'll be making $132. Okay, now that's maybe low compared to what we do, but for somebody who is getting started, this is something which is amazing. And I started 24-hour profit without sending it to my email list or whatever. I just did exactly what the product says. I forgot that I am already doing marketing and all that, not used my influence, and I started doing it exactly like I was a newbie. Okay, and actually I got results. So let me take you through the members area so that you can understand what this product is all about. So once you purchase 24-hour profit, you will be able to promote 24-hour profit. Now many of you newbies, you don't have access to Warrior Plus products, and many vendors deny you because you don't have a score, you don't have um, uh, a relationship with the market. Okay, you don't have sales to show for. So basically what 24-hour profits does is it lets you create that rapport. Okay, so what you do is you purchase, it's a $2 for the $7 and then after that it's $17. So what happens is you purchase the $2 cost, and this is what you get access to. So the overview, welcome, how to set up, how the system works, getting your money links. Now in this video of getting your money links, FERGAL will explain you how to apply for the link so that you can be able to promote it. Now understand one thing guys, if you do not purchase 24-hour profit, you will not be able to promote it. It's a highly converting product. Okay, as I've shown you, 52 sales in less than a month. Okay, so it's a highly converting product and you will start getting results. Now the methods which he is talking about, how to get fast free traffic, he's explaining to you how you are able to get free buyer traffic. Okay, in this method he is showing you how you can leverage Facebook to get you free buyer traffic. Now the method is fully covered there. So basically what happens is, for example, let's say you for a weird reason you don't want to promote 24-hour profit. This method will work for any other Warrior Plus or ClickBank or JVZoo product you're promoting, okay? Or any other make money online stuff which you want to promote. So this method will work. Apart from that, it will make you become a real marketer and real value giver, okay? Then he is talking about paid traffic, which is solo ads. Now many of you, I know, um, might be thinking solo ads are a very useless kind of traffic, but that's not true, okay? Many of the solo ad vendors are very shaggy and very shady, okay? You will not want to work with them, but in this method he is giving you the exact person to work with. Now apart from that person, if you are getting this 24-hour profits today from my link, then a bonus is I'll give you other 5 people who I have worked with and they have produced results, okay? I'm a result oriented person, so I will give you those people, and maybe they are cheaper in traffic from what he is recommending, okay? So basically you will have that privilege if you are purchasing this 24-hour profit from my link today. Then of course that is about it, and then of course you will be able to join his monthly live calls. Now that's something which is very important, is you will be able to get trained by Fergal on a month-on-month basis, where you can ask him questions and all that. That's why you're paying a recurring membership fee. And as long as you are paying the recurring fee, the people who you have promoted to and they have purchased, they will, and as long as they are paying recurring fees, you will get the commissions. Now once you stop paying your recurring fees, your commissions will stop. So that is how it is, okay? It's a reseller. Basically you can only sell 24-hour profit if you are a member of 24-hour profit. It's a highly converting product. It is a private offer, so you don't need to have sales so that you can be able to promote it. If you're a newbie, you can get started. Let me talk about the one-time offer number one. So what happens? This one-time offer number one is $9, which is very cheap, and this one will give you a done for you funnel, okay? It will give you a done for you funnel. It will show you how to get uh, affiliate follow-up emails and all that cool stuff. Then OTO number two is about traffic, majorly focusing on free traffic. Now in the free traffic, the guy talks about the traffic bonanza. You will need to check out this, and then the Facebook ads traffic. Now here he's talking about how to get paid traffic with Facebook. This is a very well covered course, fully covered, okay? And then of course the Instagram influencer traffic. So that is what you will be getting by paying, I believe it's $15. So on the front end you will pay $2. On the OTO 1, which is a done for you funnel, you will pay $9, and on the OTO 2, which is traffic, free traffic mastermind, you will pay $15. And the last OTO, which is OTO number 3, is coaching, where you will pay $97. Now for all these OTOs, OTO 1, OTO 2, if you are selling it, once somebody purchases the front end and then purchases the one-time offer and the second offer, okay, OTO 1, OTO 2, you will still make 100% of the commission, and then 50% commission on the coaching, and then 50% on recurring. So that is what this 24-hour profit is all about. So guys, look, if you are getting this 24-hour profit today, I want to give you a bonus which will help you. Okay, I will give you an access to my link to my Facebook group. Okay, you will be able to join my Facebook group. So you will be able to join my Facebook group once you purchase this offer from my link. Okay, and here I have units where I cover a lot of things here, and a lot of people here are already making some good progress, some good money. So you can see this is just the other day somebody just took action and they made their first sell. Okay, now there are several people here in the group who are making this kind of testimonials and making sells. You can see it's another one. So guys, you just need to take action. The link is below this video. Get to that link. Let's join me on Facebook, and then I will approve you to my group and you will be ready to go. See you in the inside, guys.